Ever struggled to figure out how to attach a file to your email in Hotmail, MSN, or Outlook Mail? Don't worry. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know exactly how to do it with ease. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Outlook login page. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your inbox. Otherwise, click Sign In, then enter your email address and password. Make sure you're using the correct login details to avoid any access issues. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Outlook home screen. This is your main dashboard for all your emails. Look toward the top left corner and click the New Mail button. This opens a blank email window where you can start composing your message. Now, here comes the key part, attaching a file. At the top of the new email window, you'll see an option that says Attach or Attach a File. Click on it and a File Explorer or Picker window will open, allowing you to browse through your computer or device. Find the document, image, or file you want to send. Once you've selected it, click Open and Outlook will start uploading your file. You'll know it's attached successfully when you see the file's name appear below the Attach button. Keep in mind, there's usually a size limit for attachments. If your file is too large, try compressing it into a zip folder or upload it to OneDrive, then share the link in your email instead. After your file is attached, just finish writing your message. Add the recipient's email address, a subject line, and any text you'd like to include in the body. Once everything looks good, click Send, and your email along with the attachment is on its way. And that's it. Attaching files in Hotmail, MSN, or Outlook Mail is quick and simple once you know where to look. Whether it's work documents, resumes, or family photos, you can now share them confidently through email. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, keep exploring and mastering your everyday tech skills.